My old head taught me a motherfucking thing, a couple things in this motherfucking game where you gonna live it. What the fuck you looking at? That nigga look crazy to me. Yo, you okay, man? You look kind of weird. Hey, who doing all that to the camera, man? Hey, go ahead and play. I see you over there coughing, smoking that Colombian crust. Anybody even smoking no Colombian crust, nigga? I'm eating a honey bun. Ain't look like you was eating no honey bun from where I was standing at. Yo, dog, you acting real weird right now. Y'all think I need to shave some of this? Hey, make it rain.